Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today's going to be a different video. Going to try to make it short and sweet. What we're going to do is I want to tell you about a problem I had with the headlights in my GMC. This would be my SUV. It's an envoy. But this problem happens with all General Motors vehicles from 1999 on up. Halogen light bulbs, anything that has, and General Motors that has the daytime running lights has this problem. Well, a co-worker told me you need to go LED, and I go, I can't afford that. And he goes, you go on eBay, you can get the whole set, change every light bulb on the outside to LED for around $40. Well, I really don't want to spend $40 on all that. I just need it for the headlights. I'll do the tail lights and everything else. Driving lights, for the most part, I've been using to help illuminate the road because I drive 17 miles of a 2-lane highway that's out in the middle of the country. So, let's get going. I got to get to work, and I'll show you what it's like. I know the next one I'm going to get is my backup lights because I can't hardly see the backup in this thing. Now, the LED bulbs I bought are 6,000K. They had a 6,500K for a little bit more. But I said, well, you know, if the LEDs are good enough at 6,000, I imagine 6,500 or even 7,000. But that means it's going to require more use out of the battery. So I've noticed my charging system, it doesn't have to work as hard. Might get a little fuzzy here. All right. Now these are just low beam. Now most of the time I would have to put my driving lights on. See, we're going into the dark. So let me use the high beams. I mean, it's a big difference. If I turn my driving lights on, I can't even tell if they're even on or not. So if I change those to LED, it'll be like driving in the daylight. Now, I mean, we're going in the pitch darkness. Now, I gotta be careful because we got deer. I mean, look at the difference. But anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. If you have problems with your General Motors headlights where they keep melting the headlight housing, the wiring harness, and the reason why the wiring harness does that is because GM and the aftermarket people do it too. They undersize the wires going to the light bulbs, and this is why you have a problem. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, hit that little bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out, and I'll see you here next time on Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day, and God bless.